Hello, I'm Product Manager Cindy. I'm going to introduce Advantech Industrial Control and Edge Intelligence empowered by container technology. Cloud and edge computing each plays their part in the IoT era. The expandable and centralized nature of cloud computing makes it ideally suited for big data analysis, machine learning, or AI training. Edge devices typically collect data in the field, convert diverse communication protocols, and pre-processing data for local execution. With billions of devices generating enormous amount of data, it's impractical to transfer them all back and forth between the edge and cloud. Edge computing makes more sense to process data closer to where it created because it reduces response time, network traffic, and bandwidth costs. The rise of edge computing is predicted in the report from Gartner. By 2022, more than 50% enterprise-generated data will be created and processed outside the data center or cloud. 20% of new industrial control systems will include analytic and AI edge inference capability, up from less than 5% in 2019. At least 50% of greenfield IoT projects will use container for application lifecycle management at the edge. We know edge computing is an important trend, but there are also challenges that comes with it. Diverse industrial applications are hardly fulfilled by a single solution. Function and services vary depending on different industries. Heterogeneous systems also bring with them a communication barrier. The first challenge for IoT Edge is how to fulfill all these diverse industrial applications. The infrastructure of the edge must be highly flexible and easy to adapt with diverse services for industrial-specific solutions. The second challenge for IoT solution is how to manage edge devices in a network at a large scale. While edge devices are widely spread in the field, and each of them may carry a different mission and functionality, it's impractical to rely on traditional on-site support, but a centralized remote management approach. The third challenge is how to overcome diverse composition of edge devices. You can imagine edge devices may compose by different kinds of hardware, OS, apps. Legacy apps and new software infrastructure even coexist at the same time. So we need IoT edge coordination and intelligence at the network edge. Edge intelligence, or simply say EI, is a containerized environment with microservices for IoT applications. A key architectural goal for EI is to have a uniform platform where microservices can be deployed flexibly to construct industrial-specific solutions. Containers are a form of virtualization technology. It offers a logical packaging mechanism in which applications can be abstracted from the environment in which they actually run. This decoupling allows container-based applications to be deployed easily and consistently. Advantech EI solution consolidate Docker container engine and also built-in IoT microservices. The preload microservices cover different southbound device connectivity protocols like OPC UA, SNMP, northbound cloud communication and data export protocols like MQTT. On top of that, remote monitoring and security management offer essential microservices for Advantech EI solution. EI reduces the effort of developing an IoT software environment for customers and allows solution provider to focus on value-adding services and industrial-specific solutions. Of course, IoT solutions do not just rely on edge intelligence. A solid collaboration between edge and cloud services is crucial to success. Edge intelligence enables a seamless IoT communication data flow. EI extracts information from the massive amount of data collected in the field, then sends meaningful information to cloud for analyzing, and that information will further be used for business insights. For a management perspective, It's impractical to have an engineer present on site to maintain and upgrade distributed edge devices one by one. Remote technology takes place to get rid of the geographic limitations. WISE EI Service Portal is a single entrance in the cloud to access distributed EI platforms. It's an IoT edge orchestration solution with the capability of deploying and managing services at scale. WISE EI Service Portal enables remote access and monitors the status of edge devices, deploy apps and services from cloud, and optimize the performance of edge. It offers centralized app management and deployment mechanism for any OS infrastructure on any hardware. Edge computer nodes could be x86 or RISC platforms. The deploy object could be a legacy host OS native app for Linux, Windows, or Android. Or it could be containerized app or even entire OS for system upgrade. The history of app deployment can be stored for tracking or recovery edge environment based on the record. WISE EI Service Portal connects to various app repositories, which could be either cloud-based or on-premises servers. WISE EI Service Portal connects to the latest driver, firmware, OS from Advantech support site. Various industrial apps from Advantech WISE Marketplace. WISE EI Service Portal also connect to third-party source like Docker Hub or customers' own build repository. With WISE EI Service Portal, a purpose-built IoT solution can be quickly deployed. No matter system integrator, machine builder, or end user, all can enjoy the benefit of low total cost of ownership. The EI architecture and WISE EI Service Portal helps you build the foundation of your IoT solution. Take the Advantech Industrial Control Solution as example. Machine intelligent control apps are integrated with EI architecture to turn a generic IoT platform into a comprehensive industrial controller. Domain-focused SI or machine builder can concentrate on providing value-adding services and industrial-specific solution on top of it. We are highly encouraged by nowadays technology. It speeds up the transformation to a fast and secure IoT world. We would like to share this result with all of our partners, and we would expect deeply engage with domain-focused system integrator and machine builder for potential value-added solution. Advantech offers comprehensive edge intelligence you can choose from. Ruggedized automation controllers are suitable for building machine automation. The compact modular embedded computer are flexible to construct your process automation solution. The IoT edge gateways help to bridge OT data in the field to IT applications like MES, ERP. The domain application edges are purpose-built for dedicated industrial use condition. Leveraging multiple edge intelligence solutions from Advantech and EI service architecture, let's pursue business together. I hope you enjoy my presentation and may you have a great journey in the coming IoT era. Thank you.